everyone, it's Rachel here. I hope you're having a great weekend. So I just wanted to show you this new kit that's in my shop that my husband's been working on. He finally finished it. It's 3 pages of beautiful butterfly illustrations, and so you'll get the 3 pages in JPEG form and also a 3-page PDF, and they're great for fussy coding, and I've even been using them already in some of my videos. They're the ones that he had initially thought he'd put the sky blue background in, and it took a very long time to cut them out, and this is where they came from. So this is that beautiful book that I bought, that a lot of people here in Italy, are probably in other countries as well, they like to pull them apart and sell the book plates. And there's about 50 book plates in here. I think the book, I think it says 1870, but it looks like it could be a 3, I'm not sure. I don't know. And it's in German. So I'll just show you some of the book plates that are in there. It's just amazing. I really, really love it. And of course, I'm not pulling the book apart. I will not do that. It's too amazing. So that's all just written. And then these are the plates with the butterflies, where we've just chosen some. And my husband has painstakingly cut them in the computer. So yeah, I absolutely love this book. They're beautiful. So that's just to give you an idea where they came from. So they are not, you know, like from the internet or anything like that. They're from my actual own personal book, and I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to have a play. So I think he cut this one, which is here. I printed these on 120 GSM paper. This is printed on regular paper. So you can see when it's 120 GSM, they're a little bit more detailed and defined, but they're just fine, perfectly fine on regular copy paper. But that's the original, and that is the printout. So there you go. So that's, I just really wanted to share where I got the images from. It's just, isn't it wonderful? I love this book. I couldn't believe my luck when I got it. Well, you know, I had to pay for it, but I will treasure it. It's just beautiful. So yeah, that's my latest kit, and there will be more kits coming probably this week. Steffi's already been working really hard on them and done some really cool things, so they're kind of ready. I just have to put it all together and make the listings and print them out and that sort of thing. But I don't want to rush, because then I make boo-boos, then I forget files and stuff like that. So I'll take my time and slowly publish them throughout the week. So thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great Sunday. If I can manage it, I will come back with another video, a crafting video. We'll see how we go. It's a bit late in the afternoon. I've started cooking dinner already, so we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.